Okay, in this video I'm changing a thermostat. The wires I worked on 4-wire and 6-wire. The 6-wire was on the heat pump units. They were pretty big, probably weighed a good 60 pounds plus. I had to slide them in the sleeve and pull them out. They had a board and sometimes auxiliary board. They had ways to put it on manual if the boards weren't working, so that was good, but you couldn't really gauge the temperature. It was either on or off, but at least you had a backup there. I remember on the 6-wire one, they had additional wire on it, and it was wrapped around in a thermostat, and I found one in the wall, and one day I had to use continuity test with a long wire with 2 alligator clips to find out which wire was broken and use that extra wire so I could get that unit working again. So same concept here. You see 4 wires and you see a 5th light blue wire, and that would be for that, to be able to use that in case one of the other wires break, because they are kind of thin, they are kind of brittle, and they can break through time, especially over usage if you keep changing stuff or things like that. Okay, sorry for the long video, I apologize. I was using my iPhone and I was a little hesitant there, kind of hot, and anyway, it's been a tough summer and probably the worst one for me so far. Hopefully they start getting a little more normalized or something, because being short-handed in the summertime is the worst thing in my location anyway, because I'm not just a service manager super, I'm also hands-on, because we don't have enough maintenance personnel, and that helps us get the job done, you know, hopefully get home by 5, but it also gets harder on me because I'm spending way too much time outside, not even doing my job, doing everybody else's job. So it's very, very tough. Hopefully next year is better. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any information, any questions, please just ask. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. A little hard to see. It says 90 over here, and over here it says 80 on my thermometer, which basically means this actually says 100. Sorry. That side says 100 right there, and this side says 80. That means this thermostat is 20 degrees off. That's odd. So let's shut off the unit, change the thermostat. Okay. Looks like we got a jumper here. We do have a jumper. Alright. This is a weird one. Well, we got white, yellow, green, and red, so we should be fine. This thing is pretty old. We should have the power already. So hopefully it isn't too difficult. Okay, that's odd. That's the red one, the white one. Okay, come on, white. And we got green. That should be the 24 volt. I think green is the fan. White and yellow could be AC and heat. I have to look that up. The jump is staying there since I'm not using it, most likely. here, and then we'll be good. It's a little warm in here. We got them all through. Looks like we got one here. Right there. Okay. And it says RH, RC, there's a jumper there already. Okay, we'll be right here. Little guy instead of wire. That should hold just fine. Now we gotta see where we're going. Everyone's going to RC. And again, there is a jumper there, so. Okay. It went right in there, so that's good. Okay, that's tight, good. Now we got a few more. White, which is right there. There's actually a light blue one here. I guess if you break a wire, you have an extra one. Very clever. Okay. Now we got green and yellow. Yellow's right there. Pretty good. Looks like we got one more. Okay, everything down here, alright? Oh, the green is loose. Gotta put the green back in. We didn't get it in the right spot. Now we got it in the right spot. Room temperature. Put the switch back on. See if we got it on cool or not. Okay, cool. And what's our temperature we're setting it to? 575 for now. Should go on a second, might have a delay. Can always check the motor too. I heard it click on. I'm guessing you guys heard the click also. I'll have to fix this later on. That wasn't too bad. Hopefully it didn't take too long. And it's reading at 82 degrees room temperature. And my tool is reading at 79. Could be me breathing on it. Like I said, I am warm. Okay, I think that's enough for the video. Should be able to see this 81. The thermometer says 78.6, 78.4, starting to go down slowly. We're good.